All right, short position. We'll go in 6 contracts, oil each tick here. Let's get our fill real quick. Let me get my adjustment. All right, okay. All right, let's execute this thing. There it is. 6 contracts. Each tick is $10, but with the 6 contracts, each tick is $10 times 6, and we'll go for a 15 tick profit target. So that's $10 times 6. It's $60 a tick times the 15 ticks is 900. And we're trading off the bow on this particular. The bow is the indicator there at the bottom. Basically, it measures pending orders on the exchanges. So what we're doing is basically just following the rest of the people. We're not fighting the current. Where we see a bunch of interest. Now, the one thing you have to be careful of is if somebody starts taking large blocks off, and we're always monitoring that. But we call these trades for you from 9 a.m. Eastern Standard to 11. 2 hours a day. That's it. Usually get between 1 and 4 trades, 5 trades, 6 trades. All right, we got our stop in at break even right now. So whatever happens here happens here. Either we hit our profit target or we get stopped out at 0. And again, I recommend everyone. We have a free trial. 3 days. You get to watch everything. So I get emails from time to time saying, "Oh, well, you're just showing the good ones," and I guess maybe. I try to show a little bit of everything, even the losers. But yeah, I try to put a happy face on this. But it's if you go to the free trial, you get to see everything. So it's very important if you're really wanting to trade for a living, be a professional trader. You need to evaluate this properly. Looking at people's results on their websites is bogus. People just sit at home in their living room, and these companies, and they'll jot down whatever they want you to see. So if you really, really want to evaluate properly, you got to come in and watch people trade live. And a lot of people won't let you do that because, for obvious reasons. But we do. So please come in and watch us. All right, let's get back to this thing here. We're looking pretty good. This is almost a shoe-in for our 900 when you get to this point right here. In fact, I'll even bring in our stop more to protect just in case something goes awry, but I doubt it. There it is. All right, there's our 900. That was a pretty quick trade. That went to... That didn't take too much time. Let's look for another. Okay, we're going to follow this pony on down. We had a small pullback, and then we have a continuation down here. So... Okay, yeah, we're going to follow. This was a nice strong move down. So when you get a nice strong move like this, and our targets, which is part of our indicator suite, the targets, again, it all revolves around this pending order. You can tell that after that the interest of this is still going down here. All right, so... Now, if dynamics change, we will, reverse our position here. We don't have a problem with that. Like I said, orders are coming in and off the exchange all the time. So we monitor this with this software here, and we just kind of, go with the tide. There's no point in fighting the currents of the markets. Here's our trader's results here. He posts his results. All right, we're going to reverse positions here. We have some changes here on the exchange. So we just hit a quick reverse here. Okay, we're good. These are still our trader's results here. He's showing. He's pretty open, very transparent. Okay. Let's bring in our stop here. It's going in the right direction. We should get a nice pop here. I'll bring our stop into break even once this current green bar right here gets broke. Once that breaks, I'm going to break even. All right, and we teach the whys and hows and all this. We teach everybody this in the room. But just for those of you who are just viewing this, we're going to bring in our stop to break even right at the break here. And there it is. All right, 1320 on 2 trades.